it's Justin here, and I am outside Dine With Me, where they are celebrating Big Bird's birthday bash. It's a special event for all of our season pass holders, so let's go inside.
Happy birthday, Big Bird!
That's just our style!
We have Elmo. How you doing, Elmo? We're here with Elmo. We're celebrating with all his friends. We got, bring Big Bird a gift. Is that one of your gifts right up there? One of those big boxes? Oh, that's cool. Right on. All right. Okay, so I'm here with my pal Ernie. So Ernie, what do you think I should do? I mean, did you eat already? You did. I didn't eat already. You think I should go get some food? Alright, so I'm going to take Ernie's suggestion. I'm going to get some food. Okay, just like Ernie said, I'm going to go get my meal. Okay, so I got my meal. This is part of the new dinner menu here at Dine With Me. Okay, so I'm here at Pick a Present with my friend Amanda, and now I am going to pick our prize.
Pick any box, any bag. We're going to stay here? Alright, let's see what's in there. And you want a large prize. So you get to pick from one of these three. Oh, you didn't too much. Thank you. Here, look. Come here. We're going to say which one.
Well, since it's Big Bird's birthday, I think I am going to choose Big Bird.
There you go.
Alright, this is just one of the many fun games you can play here at Sesame Place. Okay, so I'm here with the birthday boy himself. How you doing, Big Bird? You enjoying your party? All right. How many gifts you got? You get a lot of gifts? Oh, they're all over there. You see all of his birthday gifts from all his friends.
Birthday to you, happy birthday.